3. Tips novice real estate investors need to bear in mind before making a purchase. Hey friends, this is a quick video to keep you focused. When you've decided to become an investor, you may wonder which one is the best to get started with. For most beginners, it's the real estate industry. You don't have to be an investor mastermind to see big returns on your investments. You only need to choose the right real estate property that will yield high returns and a good profit margin. The biggest benefit to real estate investing is that anyone and even novices can become great investors in a relatively short time frame. If you have no experience or knowledge of the market, a successful real estate investor and a guide will help you to wade through the market and avoid making costly mistakes. What should you know about real estate investing? Choose a good location. When it comes to real estate investing, one of the most important points to remember is location. It always comes down to location. Consider buying a home in an underdeveloped region, as the cost to buy these homes tend to be much less than finished locations. When the developer finally finishes the homes, property values will rise tremendously. You can see large gains in your portfolio by purchasing a home in an underdeveloped locale. This is especially true if you buy in an area that is constantly growing. Avoid homes that could cause problems. One major obstacle you may be faced with is getting overly excited about a property and buying it before taking into consideration all the facts. At first glance, a home may look really good. However, you could soon be faced with problems and begin to have buyer's remorse. Before you purchase any kind of property, it is important to research it. You may learn that everything isn't as copacetic as you thought initially. Property development. When it comes to buying property, consider looking at property that still needs to be developed. If you can add more to the property yourself, you add more value to it. This means you can sell the property at a higher price than the price you bought it at. Think of that money as more investment money and take it and buy more property to invest in. Anybody with a little common sense and some knowledge can get into the real estate market and make a profit. If you do your homework on the property you are contemplating in buying, you can save yourself a lot of time and money.